Hey again, this is the e92, the last 5 videos. I hope you all enjoyed them. And I thought I'm gonna make a point of this video. I'm gonna call this one the expected unexpected. Yeah, always expect unexpected with the cars and sound system. So the problem, like I explained in the final video, that the reverse beeps were gone. When I was reversing, there was no, let's drive off, I've got a van in behind, so there was no beeps. See, actually it beeped in now that I've just put it into gear, but it didn't do anything. So it was like that when I was reversing, there was nothing. And now as you can hear, everything works absolutely fine. And as long as I know, this is it. This is the finish for now. So yes, I've still got to do sound system upgrade on the doors. I need to sorry. I need to finish running the camera, but like you can see, in this beautiful British weather, you can't get done anything, especially when you don't have anything to cover you from the elements and stuff. So we're gonna have to put this on hold. I've got a few more, actually quite a few more builds to do. I've got a Porsche possibly in for the subwoofer and footwell lights, but I've got all sorts going on. Thanks a lot for watching, thanks for all your support, and like and share please, and I'll see you in the next one.